Pre-reading, meet Ruth. Ruth Bader Ginsburg was the first Jewish woman to be appointed to the United States Supreme Court. I'm going to give you 30 seconds to turn and talk with a buddy to answer the following question. What do justices on the Supreme Court do? Okay, we're going to wrap it up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Think and talk. I'm now going to give you about 45 seconds to turn and talk with a buddy to answer these two questions. 1. What do judges have to do? And 2. What personality traits do you think judges should have? Go. Go ahead and start wrapping up your conversations in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to set a purpose for our reading. Ruth disagreed with people often as she grew up. Listen to find out how that helped her become great in her career. So we are going to click here to read the book I Dissent.